Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. Gala hasn't really developed in the last few weeks, okay? So we haven't really seen any real progress on the chart, just sideways movement. Okay, we've seen a break out of the trend line to the upside. That could be a signal that there is some upside pressure. However, we haven't broken above a critical high point here. So really, while we've broken out of the trend line to the upside, I don't see that as very reliable, also given that we've really only moved in very much corrective looking structures. So let's talk about the short-term bullish and short-term bearish scenarios here on the Gala chart. We're dealing with the yellow count first. That is the short-term bearish count. In this one, you can see that from this swing high that was formed on the 10th of March, which I have highlighted as an A wave, yeah. It could be here this A wave because the market moved up in an ABC structure from last year's lows. So we have an ABC to the upside. We possibly have an ABC to the downside, as you can see there in yellow. A wave, B wave, and then the C wave is an ending diagonal. It looks very weird. So therefore, I'm not too confident in this wave count. Could be something different, but we can interpret this as a... So A, B, and then the C wave, an ending diagonal, an expanding diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 5 is an A, B, C. And so is also the wave 1, A, B, C. And so is the wave 3, even though that looks visually quite impulsive. But you can actually count it as an A, B, C if you really want to. But yeah, it's not high confidence, this wave count, like corrective microstructures never are. And there are other interpretations here that could apply, like for example, the idea that all of this is an A wave, A, B, C, and then this is also now a B wave rally, A, B, C, and we see a decline afterwards. That wouldn't be great, but it's possible. So really what I would prefer is just maybe one more low in the yellow count, or that we've bottomed, okay? Or that we've bottomed. But literally, until we see a 5-wave move to the upside, I cannot be objectively in favor of a scenario that we've bottomed, because there's literally nothing here that I could use that tells me that. We have a wave 1 to the upside in the white count, which is the short-term bullish count. A possible wave 2, yeah. But I can't be in favor of that one, because the move up is only in 3 waves, okay? And this here is also just corrective looking. So it's possible that we're now working on a 3rd wave in the white count. This is basically the bullish breakout count, but I need to see more evidence for that, okay? Because it could literally just be the yellow count, and we haven't really broken above any critical swing highs. And that's needed, you know. All we've done is really just sideways action and okay, a break above the trend line, but that's not so meaningful. So yeah, I think downside pressure remains high, especially as long as we stay below the last swing high, which was formed at 5.3 cents. You can see that here, the swing high from the 24th of April. This should keep the pressure down. Would be nice to get a break above it, because then at least we can watch the white count further. And in the white scenario, we have a wave 1, a wave 2. The wave 3 would be an ABC structure. Then a wave 4 and the wave 5 would also be an ABC structure. So literally, I need those 5 waves up, and then we can add the next support zone for the upcoming subsequent wave 2 pullback, which will only be expected once we have those 5 waves completed. And as I said in previous videos, to really confirm we've bottomed, I need to see wave 3 reach 5.9 cents, or let's call it 6 cents. Let me just double check something. I think that I accidentally shifted this potentially. Yeah, okay, let me just adjust that, because this, if I put the wave 1 up here, then it slightly changes, okay. Because I did have the wave 1 here before, but this looks better. So actually here now, we need to see the 3rd wave get to 7 cents, and the 5th wave needs to get to 7.8. Okay, so there's a bit more that needs to happen. I did have it here before, but it looks a bit strange. But even if we don't reach these, as long as it's a 5-wave move, we could look at it, but I don't have 5 waves at this stage. All we have is a 3-wave move with not very impulsive looking upside behavior. So yeah, this is the ideal spot to turn to the downside in the yellow C wave, okay? So all we can highlight now at the moment are the key invalidation points. So for example, For the yellow count as it is, the invalidation point is here, a breakout above 5.3 cents. Doing that will invalidate the yellow directly bearish microstructure. At the same time, the white count will be invalidated with a break below 3.8 cents. And if we get a break below that, I mean, that's really black and white, then it's clear that with a break below that level, the yellow C wave should send us down closer to 2.6 cents. Whereas a break above the 5.3 cent level will give us a chance for the price to rally, possibly to that 1.38 extension level at 7 cents. Bear in mind, there's also here around 6.9 cents, the next structural resistance that could be tested. That's my update about Gala. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.